Do you always say, I'm fine, when someone asks, how are you? Let's learn better answers. I'm fine is correct, but if you always use the same answer, your English can sound a little basic. Here are 3 natural ways to answer, how are you? I'm doing well. This sounds natural and confident. I'm good, thanks. This is very common in daily conversations. Not bad. This means things are okay. You can also add a polite question at the end. For example, I'm good, thanks. How about you? This keeps the conversation going. I'm doing well. I'm good, thanks. Not bad. How about you? Simple, natural answers. Follow LELTA for simple English lessons. 1 minute a day, better English every day.
1 Minute English by LELTA. Subscribe for more lessons.